Doug and Jean are a great couple. Jean was sent to me by Doug's hairdresser, of all people, about a year ago. And when I saw her, she had complaints of leg swelling, leg fatigue, achiness, and pain in her left lower extremity. We did a very thorough venous ultrasound, and we found that she had several veins that were incompetent, or meaning that the valves had failed in those veins and the blood was flowing backwards. So after talking to her and during the consultation, we decided that she could be treated with two very simple treatments of the VenaSeal glue closure to the veins, which only took about 20 minutes, and she was instantly pain-free as soon as she left. Well, while I was talking to her during her initial consultation, her husband Doug said, "What do you think of my veins?" and kind of pulled up his pant leg, and he had some of the largest varicose veins that I have ever seen. And I said, why is your wife here and not you? And so he immediately had a consultation. We did a very thorough ultrasound, examined him, and we found that he had many veins that were flowing backwards and causing the dilation of the veins, or the bulging veins, and that needed to be treated as well. And so kind of at the same time, I was treating both him and his wife, and they both had great results, and you almost can no longer see the veins in Doug's leg, which were very obvious before, and Jean is now pain-free.
Hi, I'm Doug Carlson, and I've had procedures on 4 veins, varicose veins in my legs, 2 in each leg. And on my right leg, I had very profound bumps on my legs. And through the procedures that I've had, those bumps have almost disappeared over time. And Dr. Braun has said that over the next 3 to 4 months, they should almost completely disappear. So it's a great, for me, confidence level from not having all those bumps on my legs. And also my legs feel lighter. There's a lot of excess blood caught in those veins. And so from that aspect, it's been very encouraging for me to have this procedure done. Diane was great in scheduling us. My wife also had a vein. That's how we got to find Dr. Braun, was for her initially, and then I showed him my legs, and he goes, "Wow, those are pretty fantastic veins," you know. So he wanted to fix them too. And for my wife, I was more concerned about her initially because of the pain that she was having. And as soon as the procedure was done and she came back in the room, that pain was gone, period. And it's been gone ever since. And her veins have also decreased in size and almost disappeared over 3-4 months. The girls that work for Dr. Braun in the procedure room are great. Both of them are very professional. They take good care of you. They explain in detail what's going to happen. And I just can't say enough about them. And then, of course, Dr. Braun, he has a lot of faith in the ultrasound that they do. That's a key aspect of this procedure, is the initial ultrasound to determine if that vein is actually bad and needs to be treated. And when he told us the procedure using the glue, it was really amazing to see the technology that's advanced, because I went to a doctor 10 years ago with my legs looking almost like they did today, and they said they couldn't do anything for me. And that was just 10 years ago, and today it's completely different. And I would encourage anybody that's, especially on the man side of it, it's easy to put jeans over it and cover it up, but I think you need to look at what that does to your life, to your legs long term. The older you get, that excess blood in there just weighs down, and they can burst. I've heard of stories where those veins burst open. So I would encourage anyone that has this varicose vein problem to contact Dr. Braun's office and set up that initial visit to see how he can help you.
I was having pain at night. The pain was keeping me up, and now I don't have any pain, so it's worked out really good. Oh, the doctor was really very helpful, and he was just very professional and did the ultrasound on my leg, and the staff people were really, easy to work with. They were very helpful in even helping me to set up my schedule. So I really appreciated that. I would really recommend this doctor and the staff. They've been really helpful, and it's just really nice that I didn't have to take a lot of time off of work, and so it worked out really good for me.